In today's video, I will teach you how to make a greeting card in Canva. Let's get started. First, open Canva, and in the search bar, type in greeting cards to open the Canva's template library that contains thousands of designs with different themes. If you would like to browse by category or theme, you can do so by clicking on the themes that you would like to see, as well as a category where you can select which size of greeting card you can get for different social media apps. You can also select per style, pricing, and color scheme to easily find whatever design you are looking for. But if you would like to start from scratch, you can do so by clicking on the empty canvas option. But once you've found your desired template, you can now go ahead and customize it by editing the text to make it more personal. You can also animate each element by clicking on the animate button at the top panel. And you can also edit the elements individually by clicking on the element that you would like to edit and click on the Edit Image button on the top panel. Here, you can make some adjustments as well as apply any filters on your chosen element. You can also upload your own image by clicking on the Uploads tab and select Upload Files. And once you're satisfied, you can now go ahead and save it to your computer. And you're done. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.